Hi, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great day. I have unboxing today, so if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Make sure that you hit the like button, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all the fun. Also, if you're returning, I appreciate it. So share, comment, like. It's all appreciated. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I got a box from FedEx today. It's probably from Louis in Edmonton. And we'll see what Sam's from Saks sent me. So let's take a look. Got my blade. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright, it's our favorite color box. She gave me a bag, which was nice. All right, love that. Oh, look at the receipts. They shrunk. Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay, so that's what they look like now. This is the first one I got that was that small. And let's see what she sent me here. Oh, okay, yeah, this is her card. She's really good CA. She's really excellent. The only drawback to the Saks store is that they don't have samples and they don't have any thing like that. Like I wanted to get like the pig card, you know, with the information on Chinese New Year. They don't have anything like that. So, you know, they just have very basic things. So if you are thinking about going to Louis and Saks, you'll just keep that in mind, basically. They're not like a big flagship store or anything like that. I wasn't aware of that. I thought they had everything, but they don't. They're kind of limited. All right. Okay, that's all I have in there. That's empty. Stick that over there. Oh, she packaged it like really nice. With all the little pigs on there and the ribbon. That was nice of her. She didn't have to do that. Alright, and let's go ahead and see what I got here. Drawstring here. Okay. Empty. Dust bag.
Come on.
Alright.
Yeah.
I got a luggage tag in the brown calfskin, and then she stamped it on the back with a orange pig. And then what I'm gonna do is oh, and they didn't have the horoscope stamps, so I'm gonna get, like, mine is Aquarius and my husband's is Scorpio, so I think they both will fit on the top here. So we'll see, or maybe I can get his on the back, or, you know, whatever. But so I do believe that they do have the horoscope hot stamps in Seattle. So if we're gonna go by there, because he wants to go get some things at Sears in Tukwila, so maybe we'll plan a trip, and then I'll get both of the Aquarius and Scorpio on I'll take my tag with me, and then I'll get them to do it. And then when I'm in the store, I can try on the Alma BBs. So that will be pretty cool. All right? Because it's good to try on stuff that you've been looking at, because then you get kind of a size if it's going to work for you or not. It's kind of hard to do that even if you order online and then you got to send it back, and it's kind of a headache. So have you guys ever ordered anything online and then had to send it back? Were you disappointed? Or do you prefer to go into the store and try things on? Let me know in the comments below, because the closest store to me is Vancouver, and that's about 2 to 3 hours away. So it makes it kind of difficult. Plus, I don't want to be driving in Vancouver. It's kind of a nightmare. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. That's why you got to hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all the fun. All right. So until next time, thanks for watching Senior Style, Senior Point of View, and I hope everybody has a great week. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.